Thank you guys. That's it. I am just another lonely soul. I am looking for someone to talk to. I hope that one day you will know. I am looking for someone, and that is you. Your beautiful eyes, it stops time at night. There's only an illusion that I perceive and realize. And as our souls divide in every dimensions, your arm is in my hand saying, please don't go, oh no. Saying you can take the lead, I have a heartful need.
Maybe someday you can say leave me alone, but the thought of you is still in my mind. I hope that one day you won't know.
It is harder and harder to say I'm just fine.
I can't stand the lies, I need some intervention. Maybe you should pay attention to the thoughts in my mind. I feel as though I can never stop the tension. I am
Hopeless and I imagine I would rather die.
and then our souls divide in every dimension. Tears are always in my hand saying, please don't help, oh no. You can take the lead, because you know I got a heart for need. Yeah, I got a heart for need. Just because I don't know you, but I won't stop until I do. When I feel the one again, and I want it again. Okay, you gotta get it. But then it kinda goes on like a feeling I've seen, and I'm reading inside, and then I'm feeling inside you. I wanna tell you that now, that I start just feeling. I gotta go now, cause it's Bingo. Bingo was his name, oh. I gotta tell you right now when I feel it, cause I feel it inside, and then you gotta know why, yes, I gotta know why then. There's only an illusion that I perceive and realize. I can't stand the lies, I need some intervention. Maybe you should pay attention to I feel as though I can never stop the tension. I am hopeless and I mention I would rather die. And in our souls divide into three dimensions. Your heart is in my, I just wanna get out. And I feel it, I gotta let you know now, cause you need, and I need a heart for need.